let's learn how you can create a Steam account. So you want to open your browser, whatever you want to use, and just go and find Steam. Now click on this first page, welcome to Steam. Click on login. Now if you are new to Steam, you can just create an account and you will click here. Now here you want to add your email address. Here you want to confirm your email address. Country, where are you from? Make sure you put your country where you live in right now. You need to do this chapter and apply that you're older than 13. So now you can just click on continue. Now you'll have to verify if it's really you. So it will Steam will email you, and you just have to click on the email to verify that is you. So now you want to create Steam account name. This will be more like a username, and we will use some random name. So now you have to choose a password for your Steam. Make sure you have uppercase, lowercase, and numbers in your password. I already have created an account, so I will quickly log in. And here it is. So now when you did create it, you need to set up your Steam profile. And here you can edit your profile picture, real name, custom, URL, and whatever you need. So that's it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.